Hi, this is Region, and I'm right now at InfoComm booth, Yealink booth right now, and what I'm going to present today is the Yealink MeetingBoard 75-inch here, which is our all-new board of a full interactive, all-in-one board that is supporting Microsoft Teams room and Zoom rooms and general mode as well. So right now, what features this board is a 3-camera system in here, all built in, and there's an optional PTZ camera that you can add on top of it, which features 12 times of optical zoom. And on this board solution, we do equip with a lot of cool AI features, including cameras, features like the IntelliFocus feature, which will show the 4 most recent speakers, and if I'm speaking right now over here, then it will be capturing me, and I need another person, like maybe Annika.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sorry about my voice.
Yeah, well, she got a sore throat right now. Maybe I will get even here, even.
1, 2, 3, test. 1, 2, 3. Test. 1, 2, 3, test.
And right here, it will be showing the 4 most recent speakers and as well as the room at the bottom. So it addressed the traditional issue where you can't actually find out who is the speaker. Well, there's only one camera shot, but with this one, it will just automatically tell you who is the 4 most recent speakers. And to know more about Yealink solutions, please visit us at yealink.com. Thank you.